Police in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Elbert County, central Arapahoe County, and northeastern Colorado until 4:45 p.m. At 4:04 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southeast of Arapahoe Park, or 25 miles southeast of Denver, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Elbert and central Arapahoe counties. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.